Uniqueness of the districts of Belgavi division. First one, Bagalkote district. Bagalkote district was created in 1997 by dividing Vijayapura district. Badami, the capital city of Chalukya, is here. Then the Badami, Aihole and Pattadakallu temples. We have heard these names, isn't it? Those temples are called as the laboratory of temple architecture. Badami, Aihole and Pattadakallu are called as the temple architecture. These temples are formed by cutting the rocks and forming caves. These have been identified as World Heritage Site. Banashankari temple and Shiva Yoga temple of this district are very popular. Now the history. Pallavas, Vijayanagara kings, Adil Shahi rulers, Nizam, Marathas and Britishers have ruled over this place, that is Bagalkote. The blouse pieces of Guleda Gudda are famous here. Blouse pieces of Guleda Gudda are famous. Then the Moharram festival of Bilagi is very well known. We have seen that Belgavi division is also famous for Hindustani music, right? So here in Bagalkote, that is a Hindustani singer and an actress, Amirabai Karnataki, is from Bilagi town. Then the Mahanteshwara Mutt of Ilkal attracts thousands of devotees. I think many of you people know about Ilkal sari. It is also another important product of this district. Then the Hazrat Syed Mutarza Dargah of this district also is famous. Jamakhandi was a state under the rule of Patavardhans. Abu Bakr Dargah of Jamakhandi is very well known, that you can see in this picture. It is there in your textbook. Rabakavi and Banahatti are the known weaving centers. Rabakavi and Banahatti, these are the places very well famous for weaving centers. Here they have both handlooms and mechanized looms. Both are active here. Then there are Krishna, Malaprabha and Ghataprabha rivers which flow in this district. The inflow of water in river Krishna was reduced when a dam was built at Koyna in Maharashtra. What happened? Because of this, there was water scarcity in this district. Due to that, drought happened and poverty. With these things, forced them to migrate from that area. That is, they went to a place where they could get all the facilities. People moved to another places for their survival. Okay, as the water inflow was less, there was drought. When there is a drought, they cannot grow crops. If they cannot grow crops, their poverty increases. They will become poor. So they thought that we cannot survive here without the crops or without money. So they started migrating. Migration means moving from place to place. Okay, moving in search of a place where they will be very happy and safe. So people started migrating from this area. Then the people wanted a barrage across river Krishna so that they can save water. Now what is a barrage? You can see this in this picture, no? A barrage is a type of flow head diversion dam which consists of a number of large gates that can be opened or closed to control the amount of water passing through. So this allows the structure to regulate and stabilize river water. So this is called barrages. Okay. So people wanted to construct a barrage across river Krishna. So they started putting pressure on the government. As nothing turned out positive of this, government did not listen to all these farmers. What the farmers did, they formed a cooperative society and collected materials and money to build a barrage. They built a barrage at Chikkapadasalagi. This is the first barrage built by private people. Then there is a dam at Almaty, commonly known as Almaty Dam. Actually, its name is Lal Bahadur Shastri Dam. This dam is an hydroelectric project. Which are the minerals available in this district? They are the limestone. The minerals that are available here are limestone, granite, red granite and dolomite. Then many sugar and cement industries are in this district. This is about Bagalkote district. Belgavi district. Belgavi is the most famous border district of Karnataka. You can see in this map, children. It also borders Goa and Maharashtra. Belgavi was called as Venugrama, which means bamboo village. Important thing, children, you have to remember this. They may ask you for 1 marks question. Either fill in the blanks or what is this or match the following. What is Venugrama? Venugrama means bamboo village. Then Halasi is the oldest village of this district. Halasi is the oldest village of this district. Then there is a branch of Kadamba dynasty which had Belgavi as its capital. This area was ruled by Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Devagiri Yadavas and Delhi Sultans. Then the Britishers captured this by defeating Rani Channamma in 1824 CE. Later it was added to Bombay state. As a result, Marathas became more powerful there, which resulted in border dispute which is still going on. The Veerabhadra temple of Yeduru on the banks of river Krishna is a popular temple. The British had their military regiment stationed here permanently, that is in Belgavi. Then the Gokak Falls of this district is also very famous. The Gokak mill has given employment to many people. Then there is the Shantinatha temple of Shedabala, which was built during 12th century, which is attracting more visitors day by day. Then there is also Yellamana Gudda, which is known for Renuka Devi goddess. Then this district is evolving educationally also. Many universities and colleges are there. Rani Channamma University is here. Vishveshwaraya Technical University also is housed here. Then there are many engineering and colleges, medical colleges as well. This district is one of the major industrial centers of Karnataka. There are many sugar industries here, Hindalco industries, textile industries, leather industries, Tata Power units and Hindustan Latex unit are housed in this district. Then the government of Karnataka has built Suvarna Saudha on the lines of Vidhan Saudha of Bengaluru. The legislative body of the Karnataka government also holds one session in a year in this Suvarna Saudha of Belgavi district. Uttar Kannada district. Uttar Kannada is a famous coastal district. Karwar is its center because of its strategic position. Because of its strategic means center where planning and directing is easy. The government of India has built a large naval base here called as Seabird Naval Base. The total forest cover of this district stands at 70%. Then fishing is the main livelihood of people here. It has a huge tourism potential and there are many attractive waterfalls also in this district. Uttar Kannada district is divided into two areas based on its geographical nature. One is the coastal area and the second one is the hilly area. Karwar, Ankola, Kumta, Honnavara and Bhatkal form the coastal areas, whereas Sirsi, Siddhapura, Yellapura, Haliyala, Joyda and Mundagoda form the hilly area. This district receives yearly average rainfall of 3000 mm and evergreen forests are there in Uttar Kannada district. Banavasi of this district was the capital of Kadambas. Kadambas, Chalukyas, Rashtrakutas, Hoysalas, Vijayanagara kings, Marathas, and the Britishers have ruled this area. It is said that this place was a commercial center since ancient times. Then it is also said that Morocco tourist Ibn Battuta lived here. Then this district was captured by Marathas in 1750 CE. Again it became a part of Mysuru state. But the British took over it in the year 1799 CE. In the beginning, the Britishers added this Uttar Kannada district to Madras state, but in 1860 CE, they added this to Bombay state. This has been a trade center for Arabs, Dutch, and Portuguese since ancient times. This has been a trade center for Arabs, Dutch, and Portuguese since ancient times. Many spices like clove, pepper, and cinnamon were the major goods for trade. Then the Nobel winning author Rabindranath Tagore had once visited this place in 1882 CE. He has written a chapter on his visit to Karwar in his autobiography. That is, in his story, he has written that he had come to Uttar Kannada district. Then the epic poet Pampa is from Banavasi of this district. Kaiga Atomic Power Center is established here. Sugarcane, cocoa, cashew nut, paddy, banana, sapota are the major crops of this district. Then the important ports of this district are Bhatkala, Honnavara, Karwar, Thadi, Medikeri. Language spoken here are Konkani and Kannada. Aghanashini, Sharavati, Kali, Gangavati are the major rivers that flow in this district.